We at Dell have been preparing for this moment for a long time. We have moved to become the leader in AI infrastructure.
We're excited to announce the Dell brand, Dell Pro, and then Dell Pro Max. It's clear, it's simple, it's concise.
We're all in on AI PCs. We're driving NPUs deep into our portfolio to really help customers take advantage of AI now and in the future.
You're going to see professional-grade laptops that are the smallest and lightest in their class. They withstand nearly twice as many drops as our competitors.
The new ultraships are the world's first 4K monitors to achieve the highest and the best eye comfort ratings from TV.
The personal computer has democratized technology. That's the magic of technology. It's the magic of Dell. And we're here to tell you that all that magic was actually just the opening act.